All right, now I'm on the bottom of page, oops, sorry about that, 347. More examples. It says graph the inequality. So if they don't give you a number line, that's all right. You can make a number line. So here's my number line. I'm going to have 0 go here. And then it has 2/3. So I'm going to go to 1 here, and I'm going to break this into 3 parts. So this would be 1/3, this would be 2/3, and then 1 would be 3/3. 1 whole would be 3/3. So I need to have an open circle. I know it needs to be open because there's no line underneath the inequality. And the open circle needs to go at the number given, 2/3. So I'm going to put an open circle at 2/3. And then this says A is less than 2/3. So less than is left. So I need to shade to the left, showing that 2/3 is not a solution, but any of these values less than 2/3 continuing on to the left for infinity are values that would work. Okay, number 5, again, I can draw a number line, that's no problem. This time, since I'm going to -4, I'm going to put my 0 over here, and then -1, -2, -3, -4. I know I need an open circle because there's no line underneath, and my open circle needs to go at the number given, -4. So I'm going to put an open circle at -4. And then this says x is greater than. So greater than means to the right. I shade to the right. My arrow points to the right. Okay, greater than to the right. So that what this represents is the solution cannot be -4, but it can be any of these numbers that are bigger than -4. Okay, I'm going to let you do 6 and 7 on your own, but just a reminder, when you draw your number line, in this one you're going to have a closed circle because it has the equal to sign underneath, and this closed circle is going to go at 0.3 on your number line. Okay, on number 7, you're going to have a number line. Again, there's the equal sign underneath, so you're going to have a closed circle. Where is that closed circle going to go? It's going to go on the 6 on your number line. Okay. Again, if you have questions on 6 and 7, need a little more help, please raise your hand. Let's get this figured out now. Okay, write the inequality. So now we're going this again. This is very similar to your homework problems. So they'll give you a graph. And here it is an open circle. So I know I'm going to be using greater than or less than. And I know I'm going to have 6. And I'm going to have a variable. So now I just need to decide which sign I need to use. Well, this is shaded to the left, so this is showing that x has to be less than 6. So I'm going to use the less than sign. So x is less than 6. Okay, here already I can tell I'm going to have a greater than or equal to or a less than or equal to sign. I know that just by looking at the closed circle it's shaded in, so I know it's going to have the line underneath. I also know that I'm going to have a -7 because -6, -7, -8. And I know I'm going to have a variable. So this is shaded to the right, so that means greater than or equal to. So I need to use the greater than or equal to sign. Done. All right, let's go on to number 10. The inequality W is greater than or equal to. So since it says or equal to, I know I'm going to have a filled in circle. And the filled in circle is going to go on 60. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that now. Represents the wind speed W in miles per hour of the tornado. Graph the solutions of the inequality. So I already got where my dot is. I know it's at 60 and I know it's filled in. And W needs to be greater than. Greater than is to the right. So I shade to the right. So what this is showing is W can be 60 or anything to the right bigger than 60 on into infinity. Okay, let's go a little deeper. Graph the solutions of the inequality C is less than, so I know I'm going to have this sign, 12 divided by 3. Well, we can do 12 divided by 3. Let's just do that math to simplify this thing. 3 goes into 12 4 times, so this is C is less than 4. So I know I need a open circle at 4. There's 4, open circle. And less than is left, so C is less than. So I shade to the left and point my arrow to the left, showing that C can't be 4, but it can be any of these values less than 4. So this was trying to throw us off, but we can do that operation to simplify it. And then it just becomes C is less than 4, which is now just like any other problem we've done. Okay. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.